Ever since 2019, the AirPods Pro have been some of the most popular noise-canceling earbuds on the market, and they just received a pretty major refresh in the AirPods Pro 2. Let's go try them out. Obviously, ear health is very important, and you might not even be aware that the room that you're in for long periods of time could cause long-term hearing damage. With the AirPods Pro 2, they have double the effective active noise cancellation. So as you can see here, this is the decibel reading, the sound that I'm hearing through my ears with ANC on with the AirPods Pro 2. The actual sound of the room is actually much louder, so this could actually benefit ear health long term. For the same price, $249, the new AirPods Pro have a lot to offer, from twice as strong noise cancellation to personalized spatial audio to better overall sound quality, and now Find My support in the case, and 6 hours of battery life with ANC plus 30 hours with the case. You're looking at a pretty compelling pair of AirPods. What do you think? Do AirPods Pro 2 look like they can be your next pair of wireless earbuds? Be sure to let us know and hit us up on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram at Tom's Guide. We're going to be covering the AirPods Pro 2 up until they're available. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.